Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you simplest way to use a crosshair generator for Valorant on PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Valorant Crosshair generator. Click a reliable website like ValorantCrosshair.com or any trusted generator. These tools let you customize every part of your crosshair. Once the generator opens, you can adjust your crosshair color, thickness and length, center dot, outline, and visibility on all maps. Play around until it feels comfortable for your style. After customizing the generator, will give you a crosshair code, a series of letters and numbers. Click copy code. This code contains all your crosshair settings. Now open Valorant on your PC. Once you are in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, then click on settings. From here, click on crosshair at the top and then import code. Paste the code you copied and click import. Now your new crosshair is ready in-game instantly. Join the practice range to test your new crosshair. You need to tweak it, go back to the generator or in-game settings and adjust until it feels perfect. And that's it. We have successfully put in a crosshair using a generator Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.